Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the capability that does the heavy lifting. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so the machines can discover each other and make sure location is allowed. Then open Settings, go to System, choose Shared Experiences, and switch Nearby Sharing on. Pick Everyone Nearby if you want the broadest visibility or My Devices to restrict it. Once done, confirm both PCs show as discoverable under Quick Actions or the Share pane so you can move straight into sending files. Now perform the transfer. Right-click the file you want to send, select Share, and wait for the nearby sharing list to populate. Windows searches over Bluetooth and your network. Choose the receiving PC name, then on that machine accept the transfer prompt and pick where to save. You can also drag multiple files or folders into File Explorer and use Share for batch sends. Make sure both screens are unlocked while exchanging so prompts are visible and accepted without delay. Finish by verifying the file opened correctly and that it landed in the expected folder. Adjust the recipient save location on the prompt if needed. If something goes wrong, restart nearby sharing, turn Bluetooth off and on, or reboot both machines to clear caches. Also check firewall and VPN settings, those often block discovery. Switching both devices to the same local Wi-Fi or using Bluetooth-only mode usually resolves visibility issues. One key tip: temporarily set nearby sharing to everyone nearby while troubleshooting, then revert for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.